Hi everyone, I am Dr. Shigarkanti. In this video, we try to evaluate line integrals. Here, line integrals are nothing but the simple integrals. Only thing we have to integrate along a given curve. Okay, so this is an example here. Evaluate integral over C. C is the curve here. Phi xy dx plus y square dy, where C is the curve y equal to 2x square from 0, 0 to 1, 2. That this is the point A, this is the point B on the curve where x ranges from 0 to 1, y ranges from 0 to 2. To evaluate this, what we need to do is either we have to convert everything in terms of x and dx or everything in terms of y and dy. Now here y equal to 2x square is given, so I can put y equal to 2x square, and if I differentiate this with respect to x here, we get dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to 4x or dy equal to 4x into dx. Therefore we can put y equal to 2x square and dy equal to 4x. Then we integrate with respect to x, where the limits of x are 0 to 1. Okay, so therefore this integral over C phi xy dx plus y square dy is equal to, these are the limits of x. X ranges from 0 to 1. Phi x into y. Y means we have to put here this 2x square. If I put here 2x square, then we get phi x into 2x square. This I am getting 10x cube here. Plus here y square. Y square means I have to write the square of this one here. 4x to the power of 4. Into dy. Dy is equal to, say we have dy by dx equal to 4x, delete this one here, dy by dx is equal to 4x or dy equal to 4x into dx. So that is replacing dy by 4x dx and y by 2x square here, we get this is 16x to the power of 5 into dx. So that is here we have converted everything in terms of x and dx. Now we can integrate. Integration of 10x cube is 10x to the power of 4 by 4 plus 16 into integration of x raised to 6 is x raised to 5 is x to the power of 6 divided by 6. This is between 0 and 1. Now put the limits here. Upper limit, if I put x is equal to 1 here, we are getting this one. And if I put x equal to 0, everything will be 0. And after simplification, we get this is equal to 31 divided by 6. Okay. Now here we can verify this result with maxima. Okay, I want to verify this result with maxima. Oh, let me open maxima here, right? I will open maxima. Open maxima. Just a minute. Okay. So first what I do here is here usually we write kill all dollar. Okay. Next. First write this y equal to, that is y equal to means y colon 2x square 2 star x square x cap 2. Okay, and next in the next we can write p and q in the next line, or we can continue here itself. Now here I will put dollar here. If you want, you can write in the same line or go to the next line here. What is P here? P is equal to phi xy, that is here 5 star x star y dollar. I don't want to see this one here in the output. So then we write Q here. Q equal to, that is Q, Q colon equal to means colon here. What is Q here? Y square, y power 2 y cap 2 dollar. Okay, so we have entered P Q Y, and then we find differentiation of y here. Let me denote this by say dy. Dy is nothing but diff, that is differentiation of y with respect to x, that is comma x. Okay, this is my dy. Right, to again put dollar here. Next we have to integrate. What to integrate? Here I have to write p dx plus this is q dy. So dy I am converting in terms of this dx, means here I have to write this dy as diff y comma x. Already I have calculated here. Then we can convert everything in terms of x. We take the and the limits are from 0 to 1. We have to integrate p dx plus q dy means that is dx we write here outside here. Dx here we are getting one dx here. 5xy plus y square into whatever the dy I am getting here into dx means integrating with respect to x. So here the command is integrate, integrate, integrate p plus q star dy. So this is to be integrated with respect to what? With respect to x. What are the limits of x here? 0 to 1 here. That is comma 0, comma 1. Okay, put semicolon here. Right, now I will execute. So executing this program, shift enter. Yeah, I am getting 31 divided by 6, which is my answer. Right. So next we go for the next example. See, this is 2x plus y dx plus 3y plus x dy along the line joining 0, 1 and 2, 5. So here the curve is not given here. In this in the first example it was given that y equal to something. Here it is not given. Given that this is a line joining this point and this point. And we know how to find out the equation of a line passing through 2 points. That is the 2-point formula. Y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is our x1 y1 and this is our x2 y2. Substituting here, y minus 1 divided by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. Simplifying, I am getting y minus 1 is equal to x, or we write y is equal to 2x plus 1. So that means here this is the curve here. Along this curve we have to integrate, and it is better to convert y in terms of x and dy in terms of dx. What is my dy here? Dy is equal to 2 into dx. Okay, dy equal to 2 dx. So I have converted everything in terms of x. Therefore I have to take the limits of x. Where that limits of x ranges from 0 to 2. If I convert in terms of y and dy, I have to take the limits as 1 to 5. These are the limits. Y ranges from 1 to 5. X ranges from 0 to 2. So that is the x ranges from 0 to 2. Then we write the integral. Okay, integral 2x plus y dx plus 3y plus x dy. This is equal to 2x plus y means in place of y I have to put 2x plus 1. Okay, and dx plus 3y plus x is there, that is 3 into this is y, 3y plus x into dy. What is dy? Dy is 2 into dx. And if you taking this dx outside here and simplifying, this is 2xu plus 2xu plus this is 6x is there. Okay, totally 6xu into 2 is here. Okay, and one more 2x I am getting here. After simplification, just if you simplify, I think you will get the answer as 18x. This simplification is 18x plus 7 dx. Now we can integrate this one. Integration is from 0 to 2. Integration of this is 18 as it is. X integration is x square by 2 plus 7 integration is 7 into x. This is between 0 and 2. Now putting the limits here. First x, put x is equal to 2 here. 2 square will become 4. 4 by 2 means that is 2 remains in the numerator. 2 into 18, this is equal to 36 plus 7 into 2, this is equal to 14. And if you put the lower limit, both containing x, therefore the lower limit will become 0. The 36 plus 14, this is equal to how much it is? 50 now? Yeah, this is our 50. Now here we can verify this result with maxima, right? Again I will go to maxima here. Okay. Go to maxima. Okay. What is my P here? First I will write Y. What is Y? Y is equal to 2x plus 1. So here I will write this is 2x. Just I will change here 2x plus 1. Okay, y is 2x plus 1. And what is my P here? P is equal to 2x plus y. P is equal to 2x. P equal to 2x plus y. 2x plus y. What is my Q? Q is 3y plus x. Q is 3y. 3 star y. 3y plus x. 3y plus x. Okay. Right. And this is a differentiation. Okay. Now integrate. It's the same thing. P plus q into dy with respect to x. And limits are from 0 to 2 here. So that is I will change here this to 0 to 2. Now I think I have to y equal to 2x plus 1, p equal to 2x plus y, q equal to 3y plus x. Differentiation, integrate this command. Now I will execute this one. Shift enter. Yeah, I am getting the answer here. Okay. So like this we can verify our result. And those who are having maxima in your lab, these problems are there, line and multiple integrals. Okay. So next I will go to the next example. Next example is evaluate x plus y dx plus y minus x dy along two problems are there here. One is along the parabola y square equal to x from 1 1 to 4 2. Second one along the curve yx is equal to the parametric form, x equal to something, y equal to something, and t takes the value between 0 and 1. So first I will go for the first one here. Here I think it is better to convert x in terms of y, because if you want to convert y in terms of x, then you have to take y equal to root of x. This is easier one. If you put x is equal to y square, this is easy, and dx is equal to 2y dy, this is nothing but easy one. Otherwise, if you put y equal to root x here, then dy equal to 1 by 2 root x into dx, that we have to write. Okay. Now here for this one I will convert x in terms of y. So that is x equal to y square, and differentiating this we get dx is equal to 2y dy. We are converting x and dx in terms of y and dy. Therefore, we have to take the limits of y. Where is y here? See here, y ranges from 1 to 2. Y ranges from 1 to 2. So therefore, we write this integral over c x plus y dx plus y minus x dy as 1 to 2. X means this is equal to y square plus y into dx means this is our 2y dy plus y minus x means this is our y square dy as it is. So I will write this dy outside here, and if you simplify this one, this will become, I think this is 2y cube, and this is our 2y square plus y minus y square. So we get 2y cube plus y square plus y dy. Just integrate this one to as it is. Y cube integration y raised 4 by 4 plus y square integration y cube by 3 plus y integration is y square by 2 between 1 and 2. Now putting the upper limit here, these are the values of the upper limits here. If I put x is equal to the y is equal to 2 here, what I am getting is 2 raised to 4. Okay, 2 raised to 4 is 16. 16 by 4. I am getting 4 here. 4 into 2, that yes, 8 here plus here. Y equal to 2, I am substituting here. 2 cube is 8 by 3 plus here. Y equal to 2, 2 square 4 by 2. Okay, minus. lower limit. Put y is equal to 1 here. If you put y equal to 1 here, you will get 2 by 4 means 1 by 2 plus this is our 1 by 3 plus this is our 1 by 2. And simplifying, we get first term is equal to 38 by 3 minus second term is equal to 4 by 3. So final answer is 34 by 3. Okay. Now let me copy this one. X is equal to y square. Okay. Let me try. Copy. Go to maxima. Here I will paste. Okay, kill all. You can write in the only single line or x is equal to y square, p equal to x plus y, q equal to y minus x, dx is equal to differentiate x comma y. Now here, how to write the integration here? I am integrating with respect to y. So with respect to y means we are changing here. Therefore this becomes p dx plus q. P dx plus q. Right? So this is integrate p star dx plus q, comma, integrating with respect to what? With respect to y here, y, comma, y ranges from 1 to 2, no? Yeah, 1 to 2. Y ranges from 1 to 2. So here we write 1, comma, 2. Okay. Semicolon. Execute. Shift enter. 34 by 3. As my answer is 34 by 3. Yeah. So I am getting the answer here. Right. So here we are integrating with respect to y. So in place of x, I am putting a function of y here. Okay. X is equal to y square I am writing. X equal to y square I am writing, and I am integrating with respect to y. Therefore that becomes here p dx plus q. P dx plus q. Okay. The next example. Is this is one. Okay. Next one. See, the second one is along the curve x equal to 2t square plus t plus 1 and y is equal to t square plus 1. T ranges from 0 to 1. So what we need to do here is replace x by this 2t square plus t plus 1. Replace y by t square plus 1. And differentiate this with respect to t here. Then we get dx is equal to, differentiating this equation, we get dx is equal to 4t plus 1. dy is equal to 2t. So that means everything we are converting in terms of t, and we have to take the limits of t here. Limit t ranges from 0 to 1. So that is here x equal to y, second one. Yeah. X equal to this and y equal to this. Differentiating here we get 4t plus 1 into dt. dy is equal to 2t, right? 2t dt, and t ranges from 0 to 1. Then my integral over c x plus y dx plus y minus x dy is equal to, these are the limits of t here, 0 to 1. X 2t square plus t plus 1 plus y is t square plus 1 into here dx is 4t plus 1 into dt plus this is our y is t square plus 1 minus x, minus of x is 2t square plus t plus 1 into dy is nothing but 2t into dt. Now here dt writing outside here. Simplifying this, finally we get, after simplification, we are getting 10t cube plus 5t square plus 9t plus 2 into dt. Now integrate. 10t cube integration is 10t raised to 4 by 4 plus 5t cube integrate 5t square integration is 5t cube by 3 plus 90 integration is 9t square by 2 plus 2 integration is 2t. This is between 0 and 1. Upper limit 10 by 4, that is 5 by 2. This is 5 by 3. This is 9 by 2 plus this is our 2. And lower limit everything will become 0. Now if I simplify this one, we get the answer 32 by 3. Okay. Now I will return this one. I will copy. I will go to Maxima. Here I will paste. Let me verify. Control V. You can write here. You can take it downwards here. X is equal to 2t square plus t plus 1, and then y equal to t square plus 1. Okay. What is my p here? P is x plus y, and what is my q here? Q is y minus x, and then we are differentiating x with respect to, I am getting dx here. Similarly, we are differentiating y. We are getting dy is equal to differentiation of y with respect to t. Then we have to write p dx. So this we have to write as it is here. P dx plus q dy. Okay, comma. With respect to t, I am integrating. T ranges from 0 to 1. Let me execute. 32 by 3 is the answer now. Yeah, 32 by 3 is the answer. Okay. Next example. Evaluate integral over c 2x square plus y square into dx plus 3y minus 4x into dy around the triangle with vertices A0, 0, B2, 0 and C2, 1. Okay, different curves are here. So these are the vertices of the triangle. Okay, first I will draw the triangle here. Yeah, this is the triangle. O0, 0, A2, 0 and OAC, what we have taken? Nothing we have taken. Okay, so sorry, A0, 0. Okay, I will make this as, because in the figure we have taken, OAC we have taken OA, then OAC we have taken. In this figure we have taken OAC. Okay, according to this figure I will write this one. OAC. This is OAC. O00, 0, I will change here. This is our O00. This there we have taken as A. I take this as A, and this is C. Okay. See, this is the triangle. I have to integrate both this triangle here. That is O to A, then A to C, and then C to O. These three are different curves. Therefore, we have to find out along OA one integral. Next, we have to find out the integral along AB. This is second integral, and then we have to integrate along CO. Okay, what happens? Along OA, along this line, OA. What is the equation of this OA? This is our x-axis, no? This is x-axis, means its equation is y equal to 0, right? If y equal to 0, then dy equal to 0. Then what is the, from this point to this point, what is the value of x here? X is 0 here, x is 2 here, x ranges from 0 to 2. That is here we have to put y equal to 0, we have to put dy equal to 0, and we have to integrate with respect to x from 0 to 2. So therefore along OA, y equal to 0, dy equal to 0 means this whole term becomes 0. This is equal to 0. So that is just I am getting 2x square into dx here. So that is 0 to 2, 2x square dx, integrating 2x cube by 3 between 0 and 2 here. Substituting the upper limit, 2 cube is 8, 8 into 2 is 16, 16 by 3. This is our along OA. Then I have to add the integrals. Next for the second one, along AC, okay, along AC, I will make this as C, this is our C, along AC, what is the equation of AC here? Along AC, this is a line parallel to y-axis, therefore equation of this C is x is equal to 2, right? Here, this equation of this line is parallel to y-axis here, equation of this line is x equal to 2. If x equal to 2, then what about dx? It is equal to 0 because derivative of a constant quantity is 0. Dx equal to 0. And what about the y? Y here 0. 0 to 1. So that is y ranges from 0 to 1. X equal to 2. Dx equal to 0 along this line. Okay. So that is along this line. Dx equal to 0 now, so therefore this whole term will become 0, right? And here x is equal to 2 is there. This is our x is equal to 2 not 2 into 4 8, that is 3y minus 8 dy, y ranges from 0 to 1. Now we integrate this one. 3y integration 3y square by 2 minus 8 into y between 0 and 1. This is our 3 by 2 minus 8, so minus 13 by 2, okay. And next, what is the equation of this line CO? This is a line joining 2 points here, 0, 0, 2, 1. So equation of the line joining 2 points is given by y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. Using that formula, first we have to find out the equation of this line CO. If I find out the equation here, I will get x is equal to 2y. Using the formula y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. Then we, after simplifying, I will get x is equal to 2y. If x equal to 2y, dx is equal to 2 into dy. So that means here I am converting x in terms of y, dx in terms of dy, therefore I have to take the limits of y. What is the limits of y here from C to O? What is happening for y? See here y equal to 1. From C to O, here y equal to 1. What is y here? Y equal to 0. That means y ranges from 1 to 0. Y ranges from 1 to 0. Okay. The integration becomes okay. So I have to put x is equal to 2y, dx is equal to 2 into dy. We have to integrate with respect to y. Y ranges from 1 to 0. So this is our 2x square plus y square into dx plus 3y minus 4x into dy. Substituting for x is equal to 2y here and dx is equal to 2 into dy, okay, and simplifying we get like this. We have to simplify. So final simplification, I will get 18y square minus 5y into dy. Now integrate 18y cube by 3 minus 5y square by 2 between 1 and 0. First upper limit, if I put 0, everything will become 0. Then lower limit, if I put y equal to 1 here, I am getting 118 by 3, so minus half I have to write now. So that is here first upper limit is equal to 0 minus of this. Okay, minus of this means this is minus x. Minus of minus, this will become plus here. This is our 5 by 2. That is 5 by 2 minus 6 is equal to minus 7 by 2. So here we have got minus 7 by 2 one value, and next one is here we get minus 13 by 2, and the first value is 16 by 3. We have to add all these quantities. Adding, we get the total integration. So adding 16 by 3 minus 13 by 2 minus 7 by 2. So final answer is equal to minus 14 by 3. Okay, I'll stop here. Thank you.